this video, I am going to teach you how to multiply integers. So, for our previous lessons, I already discussed about how to add and subtract integers, and there are rules that we need to apply in adding and subtracting integers. So, walang pinagkaiba sa multiplying or multiplication of integers kasi we will apply certain rules how to solve for the product of this integer. So the first rule is if the given have the same signs. So yan, sa number 1. So kapag daw yung given ay may same signs, then the product is positive. So as we all know, the answer in multiplication is called a product. Okay? So the product is positive. No other questions. Basta positive siya kapag same yung signs ng given. And then the second rule is, if the given integers have different signs, then the product is negative. Okay? This is very simple, no? Mas simple siya kaysa sa rules in adding and subtracting integers. So let's try to solve some examples and apply these two rules for you to be able to see what will happen. So let's say we have example number 1, number 2, dire-diretso, 3, 4, and then 5. So let's say number 1, we will be multiplying negative 5 and negative 2. And before I forgot, reminder po, in multiplying integers, di ba sa addition I use plus sign, okay? In subtraction, I use a minus sign. Sa multiplication of integers po, I am going to use a parenthesis. Kasi parenthesis is an indication of multiplication, hindi lang itong times na sign. Okay? So, hindi nyo siya makikita dito kasi I use parenthesis, which is not a problem kasi we will move on into algebra, and sa algebra, hindi naman ginagamit yung times na sign. Ang kadalasan ginagamit na sign for you to be able to indicate if that is a multiplication or if the operation is multiplication is a parenthesis. And then, sa division, if I'm not mistaken, yung divide na sign yung ginamit ko. So, ayan yung gagamitin kong sign. So, wag pong magtataka kung hindi nyo makikita yung sign na times. Okay? So, this is example number 1. I'm going to rewrite first all the examples before we proceed in finding the product. And then number 2, let's say we will find the product of negative 20 and 3. Okay, number 3, we will find the product of 18 and 6. And then 4, we will find the product of 52 and negative 2. And then lastly is we will find the product of negative 17 and 81. So, yan. So, according sa rule, kapag daw same yung signs, then the product is positive. Kapag different yung sign, the product is negative. So, in example number 1, both given are negative. So, therefore, saang rule papasok? Sa rule number 1 because they have same signs, di ba? Therefore, the sign of the product is positive. So, 5 times 2, that is 10. And the sign of the product is positive. Therefore, the product in number 1 is simply 10. Okay? Hindi na po kailangan sabihin na positive 10. Kasi automatically, kapag wala kang binanggit na sign, that is positive. So, the answer in number 1 is 10. How about in number 2? So, as you can see, 20 is negative, but 3 is positive. Therefore, papasok tayo sa pangalawang rule, which is, if the given have different signs, therefore, the product is negative. Okay, so 20 times 3, that is 60. The answer in example number 2 is negative 60. Bakit siya negative? The given have different signs. Kaya siya negative. Next, sa number 3, we will be finding the product of 18 and 6. So 18 and 6, they are both positive. Therefore, we have no problem because the product is also positive. Therefore, 18 times 6, that is 108. and the product is 108, which is positive. Okay? Kasi the given have same signs or have common signs. Next, number 4. So the first one is a positive number, and then the second one is a negative number. So they have different signs. Therefore, the product is automatically negative. And 52 times 2, the answer is 104. The product of example number 4 is negative 104. It became negative because the given have different signs. As simple as that. Okay? And then number 5, again, the first one is negative, the second one is positive. Therefore, they have different signs. Therefore, the product is negative. So 17 times 81, the answer is 1,377. And the answer or the product of example number 5 is negative 1,377. Why it became negative is because the given have different signs. Kaya siya negative. So let's try to solve more examples. So yan, let's say we have, in example number 6, let's say we have negative 10 and 90. So what is the product of negative 10 and 90? But first, observing this, the given have different signs. Therefore, the product is automatically negative. Kasi magkaiba yung signs ng given. Therefore, pag-multiplyin na lang natin, and then add a negative sign, and that will be your answer. So 10 times 90, that is 900. So the product of example number 6 is negative 900. Why it became negative is because the given have different signs. Okay? And then number 2, observing this, example number 7, they have same signs. Okay? Both negative. Therefore, the answer is, or the product is positive. 3 times 5, that is 15. So the answer in example 7 is 15. That is positive because the given have same signs. Okay? And then next, number 8. As you can see, the first given here is negative. The second is positive. Therefore, they have different signs. Therefore, the product is a negative number. Okay? 7 times 9 is 63. The product of example number 8 is negative 63. Why it became negative is because the given have different signs. Okay? The other one is negative and then the other one is positive. Then example number 9, the given have the same signs, both negative. Okay? Negative 8 and negative 12. Therefore, the sign of the product is positive. 8 times 12, that is 96. 96 is positive. Yes, because the given have the same signs. Therefore, the product is positive. And then last example number 10, the given have different signs. The other one is negative, the other one is positive. Therefore, the sign of the product is negative automatically. 20 times 50, that is 1,000. And then the product of example number 10 is negative 1,000. Why it became negative is because the given have different signs. So yun lang po. Pakitandaan yung dalawang rule lang. So if the given have the same signs, if they are both positive or they are both negative, therefore the product is positive. But if the given have different signs, let's say the given is a positive, negative, or negative, positive. Therefore, the product of that integers will be negative.